Picture this. You, rocking a sleek outfit, confidence radiating from every step. Imagine the feeling of slipping into your favorite clothes and knowing you look fantastic. It's not just about the clothes, but the way they make you feel. That sense of self-assurance can transform your entire day. We all crave that feeling, right? The joy of moving freely, laughing with friends, and feeling light on our feet. It's a universal desire to feel good in our own skin, to share those moments of happiness and health with the people we care about. That's the power of a healthy body image, and it starts with feeling good about our midsection. A strong core isn't just about aesthetics, it's about stability, balance, and overall well-being. When we focus on strengthening our core, we lay the foundation for a healthier, more active lifestyle. Now forget those fad diets and quick fixes. They might promise quick results, but they rarely deliver lasting change. Instead, let's focus on making smarter choices that we can stick with for the long haul. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports our goals and makes us feel great every day. We're about sustainable change, building habits that stick, and feeling incredible from the inside out. Imagine enjoying your meals, knowing they're nourishing your body, and feeling the benefits of regular exercise. It's a journey, not a destination, and every step forward is a victory. Ready to unleash your inner champion? Let's get this party started. Embrace the energy, the excitement, and the determination to become the best version of yourself. Every workout, every healthy meal, every positive choice brings you closer to your goals. We've all got that pair of jeans tucked away just waiting for the day they fit again. But it's not just about fitting into those jeans, it's about the journey to get there. It's about the small victories, the progress we make, and the confidence we build along the way. But here's the thing. It's not just about fitting into those jeans, it's about feeling energized, confident, and ready to take on the world. When we focus on our health and well-being, we unlock a new level of vitality and enthusiasm for life. It's about feeling strong, capable, and unstoppable. Let's ditch the crash diets and embrace a holistic approach that nourishes our bodies and minds. It's about balance, mindfulness, and making choices that support our overall well-being. When we take care of ourselves, we can show up as our best selves in every aspect of our lives. Are you in? Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tricks on your journey to a healthier you. Together, we can achieve our goals and celebrate every step of the way. Let's make this journey fun, inspiring, and full of positive energy. Join our community and let's thrive together. First up, let's talk about movement. Movement is the foundation of unlocking your inner athlete, and it starts with small, manageable steps. And no, I'm not talking about running a marathon tomorrow. Unless you want to, then you go for it. But for most of us, it's about finding that initial spark to get moving. Maybe it's a short jog around the block or a brisk walk to start your day. The key is to begin with something that feels achievable and enjoyable. We're talking about finding activities you genuinely enjoy, things that make you want to move your body. It could be anything from cycling through your neighborhood, practicing yoga in your living room, or dancing to your favorite tunes. Think dancing in your living room, brisk walks in the park, or even just taking the stairs instead of the lift. These small changes can make a big difference over time. Every little bit counts. Remember, exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be something you look forward to. It's about creating a positive relationship with movement. Feeling stuck in a rut? Did you know that even 10 minutes of exercise can boost your mood and energy levels? It's true. Just a short burst of activity can release endorphins and make you feel more energized and happier. Mix things up with a Zumba class, a hike with friends, or even just a good old-fashioned game of tag. Variety is the spice of life, and it keeps your workouts exciting and fun. The key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Consistency is crucial, and the more you enjoy your activities, the easier it will be to stick with them. So start small, find what you love, and make movement a joyful part of your daily life. Unlocking your inner athlete is all about embracing the journey and celebrating every step you take. Now let's talk about food, glorious food. It's not about deprivation, it's about nourishing your body with the good stuff. Think whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and veggies. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine. You wouldn't fuel it with junk, would you? The same goes for your body. Give it the good stuff, and it will reward you tenfold. Feeling peckish between meals? Swap out those sugary snacks for a handful of nuts, some Greek yogurt with berries, or even a few squares of dark chocolate. Remember, it's all about balance. Here's the secret sauce: consistency. It's the magic ingredient that turns dreams into reality. Whether you're aiming for a fitter body, a healthier lifestyle, or any other goal, consistency is what will get you there. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will those six-pack abs. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. But every small step you take adds up to something great. Not that we're all about those, but you get the idea. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. These changes become habits, and habits shape your lifestyle. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You do it every day without thinking because it's a habit. The same goes for your fitness and health routines. You wouldn't expect pearly whites after just one brush, right? It's the daily brushing that keeps your teeth healthy and clean. It's about showing up every day and making those healthy choices. Each choice, no matter how small, contributes to your overall well-being. Ready to take the plunge? Start today. Write down your goals, make a plan, and commit to it. Consistency will be your best friend on this journey. And take that first step. It might seem small, but it's the beginning of something big. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward, stay consistent, and you'll reach your goals. We're all in this together, my friends. Share this message with your friends and family, and let's create a ripple effect of health and happiness. Imagine a world where everyone feels confident and empowered in their own skin. That's the world I want to live in, and I know you do too. So what are you waiting for? Let's get moving, nourish our bodies, and create a life we love. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and watch as you transform from the inside out. You've got this.